Sanibona, nginibingelele namhlanje. Kuhlezi kuyintokozo ukuthi sihlangane ngamazwi kaNkuluNkulu. Nakuba nje isikhathi sesiphila kusona njengamanje sekuyisikhathi la khona yonke into ehlangene noNkulunkulu, everything that concerns umbuso wezulu, everything that concerns ukubuya kwaJesu, everything that concerns impilo yakho, everything that concerns iqiniso, anything that concerns ukufa, anything that concerns anything and everything that is going to be helpful, esiyashawa indiva, esiyathathwa njengento engelutho. And I've seen indlela okwenzeka ngayo njengamanje ukuthi iqiniso liyanyanyeka, liyanyantisa kakhulu kubantu. Everything is now a joke. Everything is now something to be laughed at. Especially when it comes to when you're going to portray to people and say to them ukuthi uJesu uyabuya, hayibo umbuso wezulu ususondele, and the person will tell you ukuthi yazi ngineminyaka ewu-60 mina selo ngazalwa ngilibele ngitshelwa leyo nto kade ngazalwa lekuthi uJesu uyabuya, na next year kuzobe kushiwo the same thing, na next year kudlalwa ngathi ayikho leyo nto. And uPetru specifies this thing ukuthi ezikhathini zokugcina bazoba khona abahleka usulu, bazoba khona abahleka insinini, and those are the foolish of all of them. So indaba yokuhlangana kwami nawe, it is about sharing izwi likaNkulunkulu ngoba uNkulunkulu usikhanyisela sonke isibani. Ebese edinga ukuthi laba sebekhanyiselekile bakwazi ukuthi bakhanyisele nabanye, because uNkulunkulu understands ukuthi asiqondi to what extent sihambe sifike phi nge-understanding yethu when it comes to uNkulunkulu, when it comes to izinto ezihlangene ne-spirituality nokwazana naye uqobe umholi wethu uJesu Kristu. Ngoba kufana nasesikoleni, if uthisha ezofika achaze mhlambe iklasi la kwaScience, achaze and uthola ukuthi eklasini khona banga-understandanga, khona bangezwanga kahle, abesethi ayike sibanibani usuyobachazela ke nge-afternoon class noma nge-break, lo understande kangcono naye uzofika azobeka ngendlela yakhe a-understande ngayo, well, using her or his different examples, using her different materials, or using whatever ekhona to make people understand more better. So nami indlela uNkulunkulu angichazisela ngayo, afika ngami kimi through dreams, through visions, through Bible, through people, through videos on YouTube, preachings, everything, indlela engim-understanda ngayo nendlela angichazisela ngayo, indlela engifisa ukuthi ngimgraspe noma engihlezi ngisebenzela ukuthi ngi-absorbe izwi lakhe, and then bese ngizolichaza ngendlela engifisa ukuthi niliqonde ngayo. Ngoba mina into engithanda ukuthi abantu bayi-understand ukuthi izwi is not just ukufunda iBhayibheli and going to church and coming back and carry on with your life, going to church and coming back and carry on with your life. Cha, ngifisa ukuthi abantu ba-understand ukuthi izwi kaNkulunkulu noma uNkulunkulu ngena ephaketheni lakho, angene embhedeni wakho, angene kubhakha wengane yakho ewuphatha esikoleni, angene emotweni yakho, angene kupetrol, angene kuholethu wakho, emshadweni wakho. uNkulunkulu ngena yonke indawo. uNkulunkulu is practical. Ukwazana noNkulunkulu, it is a lifestyle. It is not just a belief, because you cannot believe ukuthi into eyakho noma cha. I will always say this, ukuthi this is my Bible. I'm the one who went to the shop ngathenga and I took the money and I bought it. So if there comes someone lapha ethi lihlo uyakholela ukuthi leli Bible lakho, and I will ask them ukuthi how can you ask me ukuthi I believe ukuthi lami, because I do not believe that. I do not have to believe that. I know ukuthi elami, ngiyazi ukuthi elami, angidingi ukukholelwa lokho. So if I come to you ngikubuza ngithi uma wakho lo uyakholela ukuthi yena, uzothini? Ngiyakholela. Uyathanda ukuthi ube uma wakho noma cha? Hayi, mungathanda ukuthi kube uma wakho, mungathanda ukukholela ukuthi uma wakho ungakholelwa, it's fine. That's gonna be ridiculous to you, because uyazi ukuthi uma wakho awudingi ukuthi ukholwe, ukhuliswe uyena, futhi mhlawumbe unjalo nje afana ngisho naye. So ngifisa ukuthi indlela uNkulunkulu asikhanyisela ngayo sikwazi ukuthi sikhanyiselane, siqonde izwi kaNkulunkulu, nami ngendlela engizokwazi ukuthi ngiyiportray ngendlela abantu abangezwa ngayo, because there are many people thola ukuthi on YouTube, on many social medias, abaningi isikhathi esiningi bakhuluma kakhulu isingisi or other languages, nami ke ngiza ngomageba ke Nkosi yami ngendlela uNkulunkulu afinyelela ngayo kimi, and helping other Zulus to understand ukuthi nangu uJesu uyasibiza thina sonke And-ke futhi nokufika kule nkundla kucacisa kakhulu ukuthi yazi kuzofika isikhathi la khona umhlaba uphinde uvalwe futhi. Isiprofeso siyasho and kuyinto ebuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi kusazophinde kwenzeka i-scenario efana ncamashi nale eyenzeka ngo-2020 ye-lockdown ukuthi cha, no one outside, endlini hlala phansi laphaya. And ngaleso sikhathi you won't be allowed to go to church again, you won't be allowed to go and preach, go and prophet or do anything that has to do with uNkulunkulu. So ngaleso sikhathi ukuze uzivuselele as a person, uvuselele umntwana, that soul yomuntu ongaphakathi, uzodinga ukuthi hayibo, yazi efonini yami ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngizifundele, yazi efonini yami ngakwazi ukwenza u1 no2 no3 because ngaso sonke isikhathi uNkulunkulu have seen and realized ukuthi people spend most of their time emafonini. Abantu abasenendaba nokuthi baye enkonzweni, even when they go to church umuntu ayiqhubekele no Facebook wakhe, nangumfundisi eshumayela lapha aqhubeke no Facebook wakhe. Kodwa uNkulunkulu ngendlela anobumnene ngayo, nendlela anothando ngayo, nendlela anomusa ngayo, nendlela athanda ngayo ukuthi abantu bamazi, bamuqonde, bamukhonze, benze intando yakhe, uzama ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuthi imiyalezo yakhe ihlale, cabanga ihlale efonini yakho, ihlale nje lapha automatically. Because if you go to YouTube, uzoyifica video ihleli for many years. If you go to TikTok, uzoyifica video ihleli for many years up until ke abasiphethe the prince yala emhlabeni obumnyama aze decide ukuthi asebenzise the technology to remove the truth away from people ukuze bangakwazi ukuthi baphulukise. Kodwa njengoba kusenzeka, njengoba sakwazi ukuhamba, njengoba sakwazi ukukhuluma, akwenzeke intando kaNkulunkulu ngoba leya ntshumayelo leyana ade uyilalele enkonzweni on that Sabbath, on that Sunday, leyana uyilalelile, mhlawumbe wayirecord efonini yadilitheka ngephutha, noma uyilalelile mhlawumbe wabhala phansi iphepha lalahleka laduka okwenzeka whatever, but imiyalezo kaNkulunkulu leyayidlulisayo through YouTube, TikTok and other social medias izohlala lapho. Only when you have data you can access them. Only when you have time you can access them. Nanoma inini mawufuna until ize isuswe completely la khona kuzobe sekuyisigaye ngempela ke sekushuba ke sekuhamba ngenye indlela ke la emhlabeni. So namhlanje uNkulunkulu utshele kakhulu enhlizweni yami ukuthi lamazwi lawa kumele ngiwagcizelele ngiwadlulise. So I'm going to share a few dreams nje. Sonke siyaqonda ukuthi iphupho liyisiprofetho and sacela ukuthi ngicacise le ndaba ukuthi isiprofetho sikanjani because abanye abantu noma abantu abaningi they will say ukuthi okay mhlawumbe ubona ngomunye esho ukuthi nawe wabona. No, uNkulunkulu unabantu abathembayo, abantu abaziwa ama-capabilities abo, abantu aziyo ukuthi okay menganikeza usibanibane enganeni zami zonke zo5, ngisho kuthiwa le ndala ina 10 elandelayo ina 9 7 kanjalo kuze kufika ku5, ngisho kuthiwa le ndala iyona engakwazi ukuthi iphathe imali, kodwa ngoba ngibone lena 6 ihlakaniphile, angcono nginikeze yona imali, iyona ezonikeza abanye imali yokudla esikoleni. Ngiyazi ukuthi menganikeza yena u50 uzobanika bonke o10 angeke azabe yiqili ngoba lo ona 10 uzoba yiqili, uzoyisela ezinye izingane, uzovele yena athatha u40 lezi ezinye izingane ayihlukanisele u2 bese eyazisela izingane athatha u42 yena. So banginikeza lona 6 usahlakaniphile, usayingane, usalalela, usathobeka, angcono nginikeze yena le mali lena showcase lena mali uzothi mase behamba besikoleni abanikeze na uma uthi nginikeze nawe. Why? Because uNkulunkulu knows, uNkulunkulu uqala akuhlele, aqale akulungise, aqale akuhlole, aqale akubuke, aqale akulungisise ukuze uzokwazi ukwenza umsebenzi wakhe. Remember uJesu enikeza laba bafundi ama-talent noma laba besilisa noma laba bathunywa bakhe abanikeza ama-talent ukuthi waqala wamnikeza omunye 5, wahamba wamultiply waqeda wabuya nawe sewu10, wanikeza omunye awu2 naye futhi wamultiply wabuya nawe esewu4, wanikeza lo munye elilodwa. And it makes sense now ukuthi why amnikeze lodwa. uJesu deep down within you ukuthi le ndoda le angiyithembi ngalama talente lawa, ngcono ngimnikeze lodwa just to test ukuthi uzolumultiply ngampela. Nangampela wamprovela uJesu ukuthi hayi ngeke ngize ngilumultiply, wavela wathatha wawulithukuza. So kufana neqiniso-ke, if uNkulunkulu ezokunikeza iqiniso lakhe, uNkulunkulu knows and understand ukuthi leli qiniso it's going to be spread if I took it and place it to this person, because this person is more than willing to do my will, is more than willing to portray my truth, is more than willing to pass it, is more than willing to work for me. And njengoba unikeza lo munye u5 wenza sure ukuthi awamultiplier abuya ese-10 and wambusisa ngalokho. Nalo munye futhi wamnikeza 2 wamultiplier abuya ese-4 wambusisa ngalokho. Lo walodwa walithukuza. So it's like getting the truth, absorbing the truth, wazi ukuthi okay ukuhleba kuyisona, kodwa uthi mawubona umuntu ohlebalayo lapha eminyango uyithulele nje. Uthi wazi ukuthi ukuphuza it is a sin, ubona abangani bakho bephuza uyithulele nje uthi hayibo bazoyibona uqeda. Uyalithukusa iqiniso, uthengisa ngalo, uyalifihla. So uNkulunkulu cannot trust you with anything if yonke into azokutshela yona wena uyayifihla, uyigodlela wena ugombela kwesakhe kahle kahle njengamanje. So ngaso sonke isikhathi uNkulunkulu will give izimfihlo zakhe to certain people abathembayo, azi ukuthi labantu they will surely do what I want them to do. So if prophetic dreams and prophetic visions or iziprophetho, izibonakaliso, let me put it in just very very nice Zulu, izibonakaliso zikaNkulunkulu uma zifinyelela, uNkulunkulu usuke ethembile, usuke azi ukuthi zizodlulisela kubantwana bakhe ebese beyalithola iqiniso. And I do not have any means ukuthi konke ngikhulumayo la kuzodlula kuhambe kugijima umhlaba wonke. No, it is by the hand of the Holy Spirit. Uyena okwazi ukuspreada sabalalisa umyalezo, uyena okwazi ukuthi athathe le video ayiplace lapha efonini yakho iappearishe kuqala, and then you can see ukuthi no man, how about I watch this video, how about I look at this thing, how about uNkulunkulu kuphela okwazi ukwenza umsebenzi ukuthi usabalale udlulele, ngoba uyena owenza yonke into ngecebo lakhe nangentando yakhe. So namhlanje nje uNkulunkulu utshale kakhulu enhlizweni yami ukuthi kumele abantu bakudluliselwe noma bawazi umyalezo wokuthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukulangazelela kwasezulwini uzonde izwe. Uthi uJesu, ningabekeli ingcebo yenu emhlabeni la khona inundu, la kufika khona amasela afohle ebe. Yazi mesho lawo mazwi akakhulumi nje ngokuthi boshiye ungashiye endlini yakho ungakhiyile, ungashiye esangweni ungakhiyile, mawulala ebusuku bokhiya umnyango, mawuhamba uyibhedla kathi. No, uJesu is not talking about that. uJesu is talking about going out there, buying that expensive TV ya 85 inch. Ebese uyenza igugu leya TV, not understanding ukuthi ingane le yengane yakho esikhasa ingathi mihamba lapha ku stand ifike idonti plug ebese TV ivu phansi. So ungayenzi le nto ibe yigugu kuwena uyithande. I hope people can understand lokho ngizama ukuthi ngikuveze njengamanje. Ungenzi imoto yakho ibe igugu uthande yona kakhulu ukudlula uNkulunkulu, ngoba mase isiyigugu imoto yakho uzothi uhamba lapha e-town ku freeway ungene kwi car accident and uzokwenza njani? You gonna cry because iyigugu imoto yakho, yabona angisena moto nani, uyenze yaba yigugu kakhulu. Wagodla yonke imali, thatha imali yakho wayisave, mhlawumbe wayisave imali waseqedwa wayifaka ngaphansi kwamantrasi. Yahlala lapha ulibele uyifaka khona kuvele kufike umcimbi thizeni ekhaya kini. Makufika umcimbi baqale baclean ungekho endlini yakho. Mabeclean bathi bafika, awu umantrasi omdala kangaka. Hayibo kumele simthengele umantrasi omusha, bawuthatha umantrasi bawuthi bawuvuthise ngomlilo lapha ngaphandle. Wofika ukhala wedwa. Why? Because ubeke ingcebo yakho la khona kungafika khona noma iliphi isela, kungafika nanoma iyiphi inundu, ifike ifohle yebe. Those beautiful couches agcina se-crack, ingane zigangile ingane, thatha ipeni ingane iucrackisha usofa lo leather, ucrack uzugugudabuka ube kanje. That expensive blender onayo ekhaya kini, noma ungathi uyifihlile kanjani izofika ingane yakho, because izinto eziningi there's so much carelessness ekhona emhlabeni, because ungathi into uyibekile uyifihlile, kuqhamuke umfana wakho omdala ongenandaba nje ohlezi eyibhizi nefoni yakhe, athathe ibhele ayisebenzise aqede ayishiye kanjalo ayisakeze kanjalo, ebese yaqhamuka ingane engazile ukuthi ithathe iblender fohlo. So ngaso sonke isikhathi into azama ukuyiveza uNkulunkulu ukuthi ungabeki ingcebo yakho emhlabeni la khona inundu namasela efohla eba, ngoba the more ubeka ingcebo yakho ila kuba khona inhliziyo yakho. Where there is your treasure, that is where your heart is. Yabo la u-investa khona, if you are probably umuntu onemali nani, thola ukuthi uzo-investa kwingane thizeni ehlakaniphile uthi hayi mntanami ngizokufundisa, I'm gonna sponsor you, and then mase usuqedile you gonna pay me back. Mntanami ngifuna ukukusiza kanjena, ufuna ukufundelani? Okay, nursing, hayi ngizokufundisa. Mase usunesi, ngaso sonke isikhathi inhliziyo yakho izohlezi kuleyo ngane, uzohlezi uyilandela, ulandela ukuthi okay uyaphasa yini esikoleni, wenza kanjani. Mayafeyila nje ingane, mhlawumbe mawunenhliziyo e-right noma inhliziyo ebekezelayo uzoyibekezelela ukuthi okay awufeyilile kule nyanga, phakamise amasokisi, futhi uzoyithethisa nokuyithethisa, and then comes another time iphinde ifeyile unyaka wonke. Cabanga uzowenza njani? Uzoyiphuca isponse, uzothi ayisideserve angithi, because ubeke ingcebo yakho kuyona leya ngane leya ukuthi meyaphasa nje I'm gonna be definitely gaining. It's like investing your money. So where are you investing, people? Uyibeke phi ingcebo yakho? Uyibeke la kuzofika khona amasela afohle ebe la emhlabeni? Ukuthanda kwakho uthanda ini? Ifoni yakho leyo uzothi usayichofa nje vele iskrini sibe blank, leyo uzothi usathi vele ifohlokiwe phansi ikreke, awusakwazi ukuyichofoza lapho kade ubusy with this very important call. Leyo uzothi uthi vele ingene emanzini ngemistake kuphela enyangayo. Uyibeke phi ingcebo yakho? La kuzofika khona amasela afohle ebe, uyibeke kuphi ingcebo yakho? There are many things I would like us to discuss, people. Yazi ziningi izinto zikaNkulunkulu azitshala enhlizweni yami, and bengafuni ukuthi ngihambe ngize ngifike la sesikhona njengamanje, kodwa ke ngokholwa uNkulunkulu, let us go through that route. So uJesu yabuya ke na indaba ebalekile, umbuso wezulu phela. Into ehlanganisile, I will always say this, into ehlanganisile ukuthi umphefumulo wakho uyawusebenzela yini? Umphefumulo wakho uyasarenda yini uNkulunkulu? Umphefumulo wakho uyazana yini nomdali wezulu nomhlaba ukuze uzobonana naye ngelinye ilanga? How clean is your house, your body? How clean are you from sin? How clean are you from fornication? How clean are you from being an alcoholic? How clean are you from stealing, from gossiping? How clean are you from all these things? Ngaleyo ndlela uzokwazi ukubonana noNkulunkulu, because into engiyifisayo mina ukuthi abantu bamazi uNkulunkulu, bamuqonde, bazi ukuthi ungena yonke indawo, so that bezokwazi ukuthi kumele bamkhonze kanjani, kumele benze kanjani, kumele babehave kanjani, kumele bakhulume kanjani, bahambe kanjani, bagqoke kanjani, benze ini ngaphambi kaNkulunkulu, so that uNkulunkulu can see you, so that uNkulunkulu can be closer and closer to you, umuntu wakhe, ngoba uyakuthanda, uyakulangazelela, futhi yikho nje ezama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi afinyelele kuwena, ngayo yonke indlela. I say ngayo yonke indlela. And uNkulunkulu indlela alandelana ngayo, yazi ukuthi uthi yabona ukuthi okay, people are so good with technology from back then kuqala ayengekho amaBhayibheli ne, so umthetho wakho ubhalwa ezibhebheni zamatshe. Wabona uNkulunkulu okay i-technology ihamba sekukhona ini, sekukhona ama-scrolls, you know those long papers arolwayo kanje, sekukhona ama-scrolls. Okay, let us write the laws inside them. Kwahamba kwasuswa kuma-scrolls, kwa-translator, kwayiswa ko-English, kobani, and abelungu created a very nice technology yokuthi ngcono kubhalwe ama-books which are called the Bible, incwadi engcwele. uNkulunkulu wabona ukuthi alright, sekukhona ama-books manje, okay, let me write my laws, get all the translations from all the prophets and all the messengers ayekhona, kubhalwe iBhayibheli khona abantu bezofunda ngami, because abantu they like to read, they like to study. There are many people abafunda ama-novels. Inqwaba umuntu angaxoxela inoveli into ya 1000 pages from start to the end. uNkulunkulu wabona ukuthi okay, people have so much love for the novels, have so much love for the books. Let me just write my laws in the book so that bezongithola mina, bezongazi mina phetheni ngendlela akade izinto ezenzeka ngayo, because abaprofethi nabonke ama-messengers nabonke abafundi baJesu, abapostoli, nabo bonke abaseke baba khona, bonke be-absorve uNkulunkulu ngendlela yakhe ebese yamdlulisela. Even uPawuli okuningi-ke ubeze akusho ngendlela yakhe athi mina Pawuli ngithi. Esetholile wafunda uNkulunkulu uthi oh uNkulunkulu kanje, okay yazini bantu ukuze kube ngcono, ngoba nina abaseKorinte niyafeba kakhulu, enzani kanje, ngoba nina nokuthi enzani kanje. uNkulunkulu hleze efuna ezama indlela ezoba easier for wena, ezosuitha wena, indlela owenza ngayo wena, indlela ezosiza wena, indlela ezokwazi ukuthi afinyelele ngayo kuwena. If you like your phone too much, uNkulunkulu uzofuna ukungena kuleyo phone. If you like your WhatsApp too much, uNkulunkulu uzofuna ukungena kuleyo WhatsApp. If you like uTikTok too much, uNkulunkulu ufuna ukungena kuleyo TikTok. Uthanda uYouTube, phakathi uNkulunkulu lapho. If uthanda ukuhlala kini ile nhlobo engazulu, uNkulunkulu uzoletha isithunywa sizokushumayeza khaya kini phakathi. Awuzulu wena uhlezi uhlele ekhaya kini, ngithi uNkulunkulu ufuna ukuzokufica khona lapho. If uzula sonke isikhathi uhlezi usemgaqweni, uNkulunkulu uzothumela afaka ama-post ngisho emgaqweni abhale ngaye. Ukufuna la ungakhona. So I'm just going to share a few prophetic dreams nje about not loving the things of the world, and I think that will be it about i-message yanamhlanje. Before nje I share them, I would like to say ukuthi kunengozi enkulu eyenziwa amaKristu. Kunengozi enkulu eyenziwa amakholwa. Ngizothi angizothi ungakwazi, but ngizothi ungafuni ukuhlukanisa. You know angithi there's a difference between umakhelwane wakho nawe angithi. There's a difference between umuntu wakaMkhize nomuntu wakaNgcobo. KwaNgcobo kuhlezi ebusuku mhlawumbe kulalwa ngamasi. KaMkhize kuhlezi kulalwa ngerice. There's a difference between a high school and a primary school, this school and that school. What's the difference? It's the uniform angithi. The level of education. Lapha kaMkhize makuphilwa ngokuthi siyazi ukuthi vele everyday amasi. Lapha kaNgcobo everyday i-rice. Kumele uzazi ukuthi njengoba mina ngowakaNgcobo vele ngidla i-rice impilo yami yonke. Lokhu kufuna kwakho amasi ngaso sonke isikhathi uzokwenza ukuthi ukulangazelela kwakho kugcina sekukwenza ufuna ukuthi uyohlala lapha kaMkhize, ngobani ulangazelela into yakaMkhize izokusiza ngani, because akusiyona yakini. And at the end of the day kuzoqhamuka isikhathi la khona bezokukhumbuza ukuthi hayibo ukhumbula phela usiyena wala ekhaya. Yes singakuphakela namhlanje sikuphakele nakusasa na next week, kodwa phela usiyena wala ekhaya so wondlala nawe thina. Khumbula ukuthi ungowakaNgcobo. Aneliswa yileli rice olidlayo. Either ulidla every day or ulidla nini, aneliswa yilona. Nakho ke different schools. Ukuthi esikoleni sakho nina ninikeza ama-fruits each and every day, lesesikole abanikezwa ama-fruits. That shouldn't make you ulangazelela ukuthi uye kulesiya sikole. Cause icabanga ususe high school ama-fruits atholakala lapha e-primary, usufuna ukwenza njani? Usufuna ukubuyela emuva. Usuka grade 8 ufuna ukubuyela ka grade 7 ngoba phela lapha grade 7 kwakuhlezi kutholwa ama-fruits ngaso sonke isikhathi. Then ngeke uzukhuleke empilweni yakho. Then you're not gonna make it. Then ngaso sonke isikhathi uzohlezi wena there's so much big and so much more uNkulunkulu akuhlelele abantu bakhe. There's so much huge of izithembiso uNkulunkulu azihlelela abantwana bakhe. But if singeze ufuna ukwaneliseka ngaye, sizofuna ukuyibekela ingcebo yethu thina la emhlabeni, sizofuna ukuthanda izinto zala emhlabeni, sizofuna ukuthanda ubumnandi bala emhlabeni, sizofuna ukuthanda all the fun yala emhlabeni, all the entertainment yala emhlabeni, all the things zala emhlabeni, then surely sizogcina siphelele kuzona lezi zinto zala emhlabeni. Surely sizogcina sezisidwengula, sizogcina singasanaki izinto ezibalekile. Ngoba ngaso sonke isikhathi if you are so busy something else you forget into ebalekile. Ayithiwa you were sent, uthunyelwe umzali wakho or anyone. usele ekhaya ahambe athi sacela ukuthi upheke namhlanje ngizobuya late. Ube busy mhlawumbe ne-TV game or ube busy with whatever oba busy ngayo. Ngeke uze ukhohle ukuthi kuthiwa pheka. Imagine uthi uyakhumbula ukhumbula kanti sekusele 5 minutes ukuthi angene ngomnyango umzali. Because whatever that you are so busy with will make you it will definitely keep you entertained for an extent or for such a long time uze ukhohlwe into ekumele uyenze nento ebalekile ukuthi uyenze. So la emhlabeni sizowenza intando kaNkulunkulu. La emhlabeni sizodumisa uJehova. La emhlabeni sizobabaza igama lomholi wethu uJesu Kristu. La emhlabeni sizobabaza igama lakhe. Isaiah 43 verse 21. Labo bantu engizenze bebona ukuthi bashumayela udumo lwami. Because usathana uhleze inflicta kithi ukuthi uNkulunkulu nonyaka kangakanani. So umsebenzi wethu so ukuthi siprove ukuthi uNkulunkulu akanalunya, uNkulunkulu nomusa, unothando, unobumnene, uyabekezela. uNkulunkulu has been giving you a gift each and every day, gift of life. uNkulunkulu has been sharing this with me these days ukuthi imagine having a child. Ingane yakho ena 18, ufike uyithengele 1,000, sorry uthengele itegu le-1,000. Uyinikeze namhlanje. Uthi uyayithuma kusasa ithi awumancane ngisabhizi. Uthi uyayibona emgaqweni ibhizi yajola. Uthi ukhuza uthi hayibo mntana mi wrong lento yenza hamba ekhaya njengamanje ithi awume kancane sisi. Awume kancane bhuti ngangingekho ebusheni bakho. Uphinde futhi nangakusasa uyithengele enye iPhone. Ifelo iPhone iphinde uyithengele enye iPhone. Uphinde uyinikeze okunye. Nangaleli langa futhi ithi mangicela iteki leGucci unikeze iteki leGucci. Ijacket yeGucci uyithengele. Iqhubeka ikudelele kodwa uyithengele. This is what people are doing to the Lord the Father njengamanje. uNkulunkulu bamthuka each and every day, bahlekisa ngaye zonke izinsuku. Abanye baze ba create profiles abhaliwe ukuthi angazi uJesu. I do not want to even entertain those things. Ziyanginyantisa enhlizweni yami, zenza inhliziyo yami ibebhlungu kakhulu. Ba create those profiles ukuthi mina uJesu, mina ubani. Igama likaNkulunkulu liyahlambalazeka, liphathwa ngeze and akayumyeko uliphatha ngeze nganithembisa imiyalelo eshumi la ulapho lo myalelo loyo. Igama likaJesu njengamanje selithathiswa kwento nje uthi hawu lo owatshotha ithole legolide mengabuya nje thina la emhlabeni sophinde sidlile naye sophinde simshaya. Hawu ngeke ayikho indaba yaNkulunkulu, hawu kudlalwa ngathi usakholelwa ileyo nto. Awusho ukuthi ubhizi nezingane kwani, you so naive. Lithatheka kancane ngaleyo ndlela igama likaNkulunkulu negama likaJesu la emhlabeni. Guess what? Ekuthatheni kancane kwalo, that is when ukubuya kuholi wethu Jesu Kristu kuyasondela kakhulu. Ngoba uNkulunkulu usenolaka njengamanje. uNkulunkulu usenolaka, usecasuke kakhulu, abantu bamdelele sekwanele manje. Usebekezelele sekwanele. Uthi ubhizi uyabekezela giving someone a gift. Akudelele umniki gift, akudelele umniki gift. Ukuphila is a gift, people. Ukuvuka ekuseni, open your eyes. Kunamathuna amamiliyoni umhlaba wonke. It is a gift. Waking up, being able to talk, it's a gift. Waking up ebusuku kade ukinywa isilwane kade sikinya, it is a gift. Waking up kade ulele nalesa sipoke ebusuku, it's a gift. Waking up kade uthakatho uhlelelo kade kubekwa amakhandlela kufakwa inaliti kuthiwa kafe namhlanje uNkulunkulu wanqaba nawe, it is a gift. And you gonna wake up and laugh the hell out of uNkulunkulu nakhona la inkundleni zokuxhumana ukuthi hayibo senziwe ilima lana, na ijoke bo, na ingane bo isenza ilimi isijwela kabe idlala ngathi ucabanga ukuthi asimazi thina uNkulunkulu kade sazalwa ifika manje yona emhlabeni ayazi lutho lengane. It's a gift that you are being constantly given. But you do not appreciate it. Instead, you shove it emsweni bakhe uNkulunkulu. You shove it emsweni baba messengers wakhe uNkulunkulu. You shove it. And the more you shove it, you are doing this to yourself. And you will surely die. Because uNkulunkulu sees everything. I-CCTV yasekhaya ezulwini ibona yonke into. Iyakubona nawe. Iyayibona inhliziyo yakho, yakubona ugaya kwakho izibozi, yakubona ukuhamba kwakho enkonzweni, uhamba mahhala nje. Uhambela ukuyohleba, uhambela ukuthi vele ubhorekile kuyisonto, kuyisabatha vele awenzi lutho. Hey, let me just go to church, nani. Uyakubona konke lokho and you will be judged for that. Forgive me, bantwana baNkulunkulu, but let me just share these dreams so that this video won't be so long. last year nje ngoNovember, namanje angikakabi nesiqiniseko sokuthi that was a dream or a vision, but I was out of my body. Because into eyenzeka, I wanna make this clear. Mina uNkulunkulu just awoken me. Because I was just a young peer. Bese qedile ukufunda esikoleni, graduated, and then went to work. Sasebenza nje uNkulunkulu wathinta inhliziyo yami, sent a lady eTexini wathi phuma ezweni wenze intando kaNkulunkulu. And loya mama wakhuluma, I will never forget her words. And I believe it's an angel that was sent to come pick me from the world. Wathi kimi, uNkulunkulu uyakuthanda and uyazama ukukhuluma nawe kodwa wena umlaleli. Ngashaqeka same time ngashawa uvalo. Ukuthini lo mama uthi uNkulunkulu angimlaleli? Ukhuluma nami uthini kanjani yini le ngayizwa uNkulunkulu? And athi kunezwi ehlezi lifika kuwena lithi enze ukuthize. Wena ulilaleli. And immediately I decided to do some more fasting. Ngisikhe uNkulunkulu. Ngifisa ukumuza ukuthi yini la zama ukukhulumisana nami. And at the start of 2023, that is when the Lord specified ukuthi phuma ezweni wenze intando kaNkulunkulu. Nakhona ngingazi ukuthi yini ukuphuma ezweni. But uNkulunkulu libele echaza indaba. But angikho lapho engifisa nje ukusummarize ukuthi uNkulunkulu called me from the world to come do umsebenzi wakhe. Called me from the world to come and listen to him and pass his messages to his people. Even though I was so worried ukuthi inkosi ngizophila ngani, how am I going to survive? And uNkulunkulu wathi, why do you worry about tomorrow? Why do you worry about food? Why do you worry about things that I know that you need? Why kumele ukhathaze ukuthi uzogqokani? Ngoba imini umzali wakhe, imini wazi ukuthi uzogqokani. Imini wazi ukuthi uzodlani. Njengoba wena mzali wazi ukuthi ingane yakhe izodlani kusasa, wena wazi ukuthi izophatha nesikoleni. That's exactly how uNkulunkulu does with abantwana bakhe. So ngixolele nje the testimony, I was supposed to make it like a video, but I'll keep on explaining it so that people can understand what exactly happened up until ngize ngifike la ekutheni uNkulunkulu angisebenzise ngale ndlela. So last year, when I have started following uNkulunkulu, doing more fasting, izinikela kakhulu kuyena, that is when uNkulunkulu belibele ezirevila kancane kancane, enza lokhu, coming through dreams. I will hear a voice in my dream, lithi vuka wenze ukuthi. Coming through visions, through people. Because I'm the type of person othi melalela intshumayelo angayilaleli ukizwa bese yakhohlwa, but ngilalelele ukuthi hayibo. Kuthiwa ku-wrong ukubuka iphone kanjani? And I would go deeper. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi why is it wrong? How is it wrong? How is it hurting me? How is it hurting God? How is it a bad effect and influence in one's life? So I was that kind of person, or obehleze curious ngaso sonke isikhathi ngayo yonke into. And uNkulunkulu ke, the curiosity yami didn't kill me as a cat, no, but it made me understand the Lord more. So last year November nje, I'm sorry ukuthi I didn't keep track of the dates because isikhathi esiningi last year into eyenzeka ngangithi mangivuka nephupho nje I'll quickly write it down, and I didn't write the dates. I started writing dates, I think was it November 28th, yes, last year. So by the start of November nje, as I was saying ukuthi, I think I had a vision or a dream, but it was in the midst of those things, or the Lord just took my soul and he took me to a certain place la ngabona khona. And mangifika kule ndawo, it was after 12 nje when I was done praying umkhuleko wa 12, and it was 12:30, and we prayed for like 30 minutes. And then by that time, mina, I'm a person who has deep sleep. I sleep. But that day, ngathi ngene engubeni, I wasn't sleeping. It's like uNkulunkulu told me ukuthi there's something that is about to happen. So do not sleep, just wait. And ngahlala kanjalo engubeni, and up until I doze off, when I doze off, it's like I'm rolling. Ngazuthi ngiyarola manje, ngiyagingqika ngangena kwindawo eyitunnel, you know, indawo umgodi kanje, umgodi kodwa lo uhamba yabo ngathi ungena lezi tamkoko lezi ezilapha emgaqweni, indawo ekanjalo ngangena khona. Mangena ngifika komunye umhlaba, and this world, it's like this world, you know, ufana nawo lo mhlaba lo, but engqondweni yami I'm like, okay, shuthi this is a fake world. Lo ngiphuma kona original, and I didn't know ukuthi nguphi, I didn't know what was happening, and kwakusebusuku ngalesi sikhathi. So kulo mhlaba lo, my heart was so trembling. Mangila ngazuthi nje ngingavele ngihayize, secela ngicashise, you know, I had all those feelings, ngaba nayo yonke leyo mizwa at the same time, engazuthi ungakhala nje kubhlungu ukuba laphayana. And I saw many people asebashona, and umhlaba wabantu asebashona la. Uhamba emgaqweni laphayana, imigaqo igqobhokile, omunye mewela khona ingona phakathi, abanye bayahamba emgaqweni akazazi ukuthi uyaphi. And I saw another guy driving a truck, driver le truck driver kasathandi, you know, izinto zalapha sezenzeka nje repeatedly. So makwenzeka zonke lezi zinto, all these scenarios, remember I said kwakusebusuku angithi, I saw, and uNkulunkulu just uplifted my head, moya uNkulunkulu, and I saw something from the sky. I saw ifu elimnyama, and mangibona leli izwi came immediately, lathi le ngelesibumnyama isilindele ukwenza nanoma yini uNkulunkulu ayitshelayo ukuthi ayiyenze, isi-ready. And that it was like a structure of a person, but you can never tell what it is really a person, but it was a structure of a person, ne? So izingelosi zikanjalo zingazi ukuthi abantu istructure sakho kodwa ziwumoya kahle. So ingelosi esilungele ukuthi isingawudestroya umhlaba, esilungele ukuthi isingabhubhisa, singenza nanoma yini uNkulunkulu athi ayenze. So immediately mangizwa leyo myalezo ngakhala, you know, ngakhala ngaphakathi, ngasaba. You know what, mangabe uzohamba nomuntu, uyamazi ukuthi umuntu punctual kangakanani, uyamazi ukuthi lo muntu methe u9 ubo8 noma u9 ubo8, mase qhamuka lo muntu loyo, you gonna be awema usibani, and the type of person uyashiyana. So I had that feeling yokuthi yazi uJesu engabuya manje and mengafika engasishiya. Umyalezo engawuthola ngikuleya vision noma lela phupho ukuthi tshela abantu ukuthi ababhabhadiswe ngoba uJesu uyeza. Tshela abantu ukuthi abageze bazihlambulule ngoba uJesu uyeza. Uma engafika bazosala. Uma engafika bengagezile uJesu uzobashiya. That's the message that I got. Hayi ngatatazela, ngaqala manje ngamemeza, hayi bukezani, ngingasakhali ngithi uzonishiya. You know, having that feeling ukuthi into izokwenzeka manje. That's the feeling that I had mangilaphaya. And I know probably with many people that do not understand, that do not even care about imiyalezo evela ekhayizulwini, imiyalezo evela spiritually, evela kubaba ohlala ekhayizulwini, they don't care about them. Uthi kuzokwenzakalani ayikho lento. Why ngenzeki pho? Because abantu bafuna izinto zenzeke ngesikhathi sabo. Bafuna izinto zenzeke mabesabona. Bafuna izinto zenzeke in their zothini ngendlela yabo. Hayi ngendlela kaNkulunkulu, bafuna kwenzeke ngabo. Not knowing ukuthi uNkulunkulu, by giving us all the time, all the chance, he's just giving us extra time, man, to be able to do more, to be able to work more, to be able to get back to him, to be able to cleanse those sins, to be able to vuma izono zakho zenze izolo, to be able to vuma izono zakho zenze 3 years ago. It's just giving you a chance. Repent, vuma izono zakho ngoba uJesu uyabuya. As I said by the start of this video, ukuthi vele njengamanje into ayaziyo uNkulunkulu, and I'm well informed ukuthi kuyinto ejoke vele ukuya kwaJesu manje, kuyinto esiyaba ihlaya kakhulu ngoba kade kwashiwo bathi sibuzeke ukuthi mawulibela utshela into eyodwa over and over again kusho ukuthini lokho. And God made this example ukuthi imagine having a child And umntwana wakho ngaso sonke isikhathi uma ubuya emsebenzini umtshela ukuthi hayibo washa amasokisi uwashe ishethi. Uthi uyabuya nangakusasa akakwenzile lokho. Uzomtshela ngithi hayibo ngithe samukele washisho amasokisi uwashe neshethi. Uyazi nje ukuthi uzokudinga esikoleni. Uthi uyabuya nangakusasa akakwenzile lokho. Uzokwenza njani zothula? Uzophinda umtshele futhi hayibo samukele ngitheni? Mhlawumbe uzosebenzise nenduku. Uzomshaya ukuthi uzakwazi ukuthi akhumbule azi. But if ungasamtsheli that message, if ungasamkhumbuzi, khona inkinga ekhona. If uthi uyafika hawunali ishethi liyaphephezela kulayini namasokisi, uzomtshela yini ukuthi ngithe washa ishethi? No, because uyayenza into omyalezile yona, uyayenza into omtshele yona, uyayenza into okumele ayenze because ekugcineni kosuku uzosizakala yena. That's it with imiyalezo kaNkulunkulu. Itshela wena iqiniso okumele ulazi, iyakukhumbuza ukuthi ayibo phenduka, ayibo vuma izono zakho, ayibo shiya leso sono, shiya lokho kuhleba, shiya leyo nhliziyo embi, shiya lokho kugaya ibozi, shiya lokho kutolerate yonke into wena uyayivumela, udla kwasani, ugombela wena, ugimba wena, uzozudle ngisho ngopoison. Shiya yonke into, iyakukhumbuza wena. If kuthiwa sesenza kahle sonke la emhlabeni ngaba akekho oshumayelayo, I promise you that. Ngaba akekho otshela omunye ukuthi hayi baba fethu asingenzeni kanjena. If sonke siziphethe ngendlela eright, zonke izingane ziphethe kahle eklasini, ukhona ozokhuza omunye. If utheni ngaba ngomsindo ningakhulumi wena bhala abakhulumayo. Meko ngakhuluma umuntu eklasini ukhona yena azobabhala. No, khona yena uthisha azobakhuza methe thula nomsindo kwathula lonke iclass, khona azobakhuza. No. So nathi la emhlabeni usakhuzwa ngoba khona into wrong oyenzayo. Usasizwa ngoba khona lokugcobo osahleli kuwena ongakafuni ukususwa. So naku umyalezo ukuthi papathiswane webantu. Zihlengene bantu. Zisizeni bantu ngoba uJesu umfelethu uyabuya. Another dream. 24 January 2024. This one, luckily, I had a date exactly. 24 January 2024. Ngiphupha. I'm going for a drive. You know those code 10 trucks? Lama truck lawa ukufundela ukudrive. And mangiya go driver, it was like I was coming back from work. Ngiya nje kwenza umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu, which is what I do every day. Sorry, almost every day. And athi udriver ake ngoba usuqhamukile ngena lapha ku driver seat ushayele. And as soon as I was approaching, because kwakhona wayedriver ngaleso sikhathi, ame udriver in a place ethanda ukuba steep nyane, yabo, like a steep hill. Ame khona. And then mephuma lo sisi lo owayedriver kuzodriver mina njengamanje engazuthi ba round ke banga le khona ngizongena lapha ku driver seat. Ayi aphume nangampela lo sisi. Ngithi ngisangena nje imoto started moving, and I'm like, I haven't even started controlling it, but it's already moving. So ngingene kule driver seat and I started driving. Sengizama ukuyicontrola ke manje because obviously sengiyiphakathi iyahamba vele. Angakafaki ignition, angakanyatheli brake, angakanyatheli clutch, anything, angakafaki lutho. Gear 1 angakafaki lutho. Kodwa siyahamba. Ayi ngizame ukuthi ngiyicontrole imoto ngizame, and ngithi ngizama ukuyicontrol imoto yavele yahamba ngesinye isivinini. It's like it was driving itself in me trying to control it, but ingacontroleki kodwa. I don't know if I make sense, but in this dream I was so worried ngalendlela ukuthi I remember I was the driver, but ngokuhamba kwephupho ngizibona sengisemuva sengiseback. It was like manje sengise taxini and people are in front and I am at the back, but I am still driving. So ngibhizi ngiyashayela imoto ihamba iyashayisa, and I'm like, I'm telling the driver, because you know mofunda ilokhu njani drivers ukuthi udriver uba la eceleni. Ngithi I'm telling the driver ukuthi awuboni ukuthi le moto izogingqika, asivele siyimise ngcono ngiyeke ukudriver, ngcono ngiphume athi hayi khulileka sambeni ngeke izibe nalutho. And there are many people you know, in the taxi ukuthi kuhlala abantu approximately 15 or less, or 16 if it's gonna be an overload. But kuleya taxi abantu babe baningi, it was like a bus, kodwa you can tell ukuthi it's a taxi because indlela imiyalezo and dreams, indlela uNkulunkulu afinyelela ngayo, usuke ezama ukuportray a message. Ngeke phela uNkulunkulu afike ngqo athi hayi ke mina kuNkulunkulu ke ngithi hamba uyotshela usibani bani wangobese ukuthi uzofa. uNkulunkulu uzozama indlela yokuthi afikise amagama akhe eyimfumba. He's gonna try those signs ukuthi akubonise umyalezo, and you eventually get it by the Holy Spirit helping you. So now ngibhizi ngiyayidrayiva and I'm so worried, and abantu babhizi etekisini, abanye bayicofela amafoni, babhizi indaba zabo bayixoxela, and ngizama ukumemeza ngithi hayi bo bantu, itaxi izogingqika izowa le moto because ibhizi yashayisa, iqala yashayisa isihlahla esinye yaphinda yashayisa isigxobo, and I'm like, people, this taxi is going to roll, and I'm so worried, and I was the only one crying kule taxi because it's like I'm driving but I'm not. That is, I'm the one controlling it. God, I'm not. I mean, how can I control it from the back? And I was so worried when I woke up from that dream. Because even the driver was like, no man, carry on, it's okay. I'm not king. And uNkulunkulu specified ukuthi kunjalo ke emhlabeni. Abantu indlela abanganandaba nayo ngayo ngabo. Bafana nalabo bantu abalapha kuleya taxi. Wena uhlakaniphile, you can see ukuthi uye weni lo. Uyofa la yakhona. Uthi uyamtshela hayi bo ungayenzi leyo nto. Athi hayibo kunani? Kuzokwenzakalani? Nosibani bani wayenza. You could be so worried wedwa. Ukuthi bakithi Nkosi yami umntanami ngithe angaligibeli ibhanoyi. There have been maydays these days. Kodwa yena wakhetha ukuthi aligibele ngenkani. Abe nenkinga. Futhi umphuphile ephushweni egibele ibhanoyi. Laba nenkinga, laba ne-mayday and it's crashed. Umtshela ukuthi ungaligibeli ibhanoyi nje, uzobuya uze ekhaya nje usuke eCape Town, rather take a bus ngamane ufike la after 3 days. Ungaligibeli kodwa ibhanoyi, aligibele ngenkani. Umkhuzile kodwa. So I was so worried in this dream in such a way that I was trying to help people. But abantu babengangizwa, bengangilaleli, bengenandaba. They were so busy with their lives. They were so busy with their gossip, their talks, with whatever topics are interesting kubona ngaleso sikhathi. They were so busy with all those things. They didn't care what I was saying. They didn't care what I was warning them about. They didn't care what I was shouting about, telling them ukuthi iyagingqika le moto njengamanje. Asiphumeni sonke lana, if means to be. And they didn't care, even the driver. Ofundisana ukudrive cabanga. Yathi no asihambeni, no it's okay, anginankinga, qhubeka nje uhambe, anginankinga. Bengenakile, bengafuni. And mangimtshela udriver ukuthi buka kwenzekeleni, buka kwenzeke. He just overlooked and didn't care. So siphila kulowo mhlaba ke njengamanje, people are overlooking everything. And ngifuna ukuyibeka kahle ngesono. People are overlooking at izono. They are overlooking at how sins can kill them. They are overlooking at how sins can destroy their souls. They can destroy, they're selling their souls ngezono zabo. And I quote nje from a prophecy ethi ngale nkathi usilwela isono sakho, utshela ukuthi ayibo yekela leyo mfebo uyilwele wena. Guess what? You're gonna win it, and isohlala kuwena. You fighting for it, angithi? You're gonna definitely get it, because whatever you fight for, you will win it. You will get it. If you fight to pass, you will pass. If you fight for that promotion emsebenzini, you will get it. If you fight for people to respect you, you will be respected. And if you fight for the sin, you will win it. It's gonna stay with you. Uzoswina leso sono sizohlala nawe. I quote from the Master's voice. Kodwa ke namanje uNkulunkulu usangincenga, usanginxusa, usanithanda, usanibekezelela, usanobubele. Noma ninganakile ninjalo, uNkulunkulu uzoqhubeka zami ukuthi asishaye icilongo. Hayi bo, phendukani bantu. Hayi bo, buyisana noJesu. Hayi bo, vumani izono zenu nithethelelwe. Khona uJesu uzonifica nihlambulukile niklini khona ezokwazi ukuthi akubukele nani ekhaya ezulwini. Another dream nje I had mhla 29 January 2024. See, from 24 to 29, uNkulunkulu is saying the same thing in just 1 week. And in this one, Gipupa, we are in this town, edolobheni. You know, in a place like a mall. Yeah, that's the best way to explain this dream. That place was like a mall. Kodwa ke yona ihlukene ngey'tolo phakathi because imall ihlukene, there's H&M, Banbani, different stores, Pep and so forth. But le ndawo yayifake yonke into iyingxubevana kodwa kuyibhilidi elikhulu. Mangithi elikhulu, I say probably it's like 5 grounds. I'm a ground ebhola or 5. It was a big building. In this building, there is each and every, please listen to me carefully, there's each and every item ongayicabanga ekhona la emhlabeni. There are beds, there are phones, there are computers, there are cars, there are everything that is an item ethandwa umuntu. There are cinemas lana, there are clothes lana, yonke into, furniture, all the appliances ethandwa abantu, yonke into ila. And there were millions and millions of people, millions and millions of people. So basically ndawo lena there came a time la khona, because wonke umuntu it was like yonke into yakhe la, even your own items, like your own clothes, your own phones, your own things, they were here because ngathi bekuhlangene for some sort of a function or some ceremony or something. And fortunately enough, by being led by the Spirit of the Lord, ngaphumela ngaphandle kuleli bhilidi, ngama ngaphandle, and leli bhilidi livaleka ngama, sorry, I do not know the name, but you know those garage doors are rollwayo. I'm not sure. I should have done the research about that name, but again, people bazo understand because ngikhuluma namaZulu lana. Le mnyango yase garage le rollwayo enjengaseyitolo, leli bhilidi belivaleka ngawo yonke indawo ngeminyango kanjalo. So mangiphumela la ngaphandle kwavele kwakhala i-air raid siren. Please research this thing. I-air raid siren le khala ithi you know, that air raid siren, it is a siren of caution. There's something that is about to happen. There's something that is about to happen. Kunempi ezayo, kunento enkulu ezayo, qaphela, baleka, casha, or do whatever. So kukhala leyo siren, immediately garage doors went mba, avaleka kuleli bhilidi leli. And immediately ngathiwa ngaphansi, because we all knew ukuthi yabo nje bevaleka akunamawindi la, akunalutho, people are going to die inside either by suffocation or they're just gonna be dead by anger because kuvaleka okugcina ngeke kuze kuphinde kuvuleke. And asuka ke lapho sabaleka nani kwaqhamuka izindlavini, abantu wearing black things, they started shooting, they started killing, besika ngenkemba beceka kwasani. But uNkulunkulu, what he said about that dream, ukuthi yazi ukuthi abantu bazofa bafele ukuthanda izinto. Umuntu uzofa afele ukuthanda ifoni, umuntu uzofa afele ukuthanda impahla, umuntu uzofa afele ukuthanda iteku, umuntu uzofa afele ukuthanda i-TV, afele ukuthanda i-DSTV. You are like channel 164, Mzansi Magic 161. Yo ngingawubuka usuku lonke Nkosi yami. Mzansi Bioscope ave kudlala amashow amnandi lapha yana futhi awesiZulu. Nkosi yami. Ube busy ke naleyo nto leyo, uyilandele, uyilangazelele noma sekunjani. People, you are going to die ngenxa yazo zonke lezi zinto ezikhona la emhlabeni. You are going to die ngenxa ungakunakekela izinto ezibalekile empilweni yakho ezoba usizo kuwe. And it's so painful how ama-Christians, they are so unable to choose. They are so unable to separate things la emhlabeni. They are so disabled. They just want to get and get and get, to grasp and grasp and grasp and take everything ekhona abayibonayo. Oh, uthi angidle lokho hayi yokuthatha. Oh, sithathe lokho okay sikuthatha. You are going to die ngenxa yalokho. Ngoba ubhizi ulandela izinto zala emhlabeni, ingcebo la yala emhlabeni la khona kuzofika isela nenundu lifohle lintshontshe. Usavele leya iPhone leyana ya 15,000 lezofika intshontshwe futhi usathi usayichargile ina 2 days. Angene umuntu oyihypocrite enomona adonse ngewindi, alulisa ingalo yakhe ngewindi, ayithathe ifoni. Why? Cause ubeke ingcebo yakho la emhlabeni la kuzofika khona isela lifohle lintshontshe likuthathele yonke leyo nto leyo othi uyayithanda wena. April 2024. Now, this dream is sooner. It's like yesterday. Ngiphupha manje kusedolobheni. And kune distraction nje, kuyaphithizela, angazi abantu babhizi nje, abanye bashona lena le emsebenzini, kunezinto eziningi kuyaphithizela but akuqondakala ukuthi kwenzakalani. And I'm busy telling people ukuthi hayi bafethu asambeni sikhaya. Bethi awuma kancane usilinde. And laphana there was like what can I call this thing? It was like a certain competition or a show or something. Yabo lezi zinto as interest abantu ukuthi bazenze. There was something like that. It was like laphaya ungena esitolo, kumele ugqoke ingubo noma iziphi, you know? And then ozogqoka kahle, uzothi mase ngigqokile kuzoba nesikhathi thizeni mhlawumbe kuthiwa ke 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Mase kuthiwa 1 kumele niphoze nonke. Mase seniphozile and uzothatha isithombe. La uzothatha mase kuthatha isithombe ozobe muhle kakhulu, will get something like a grand prize or will get those clothes for free. It was something like that, something like gambling and so forth. So I'm busy telling people ukuthi abe bafethu sambeni yabona ukuthi kushubile eminyangweni, yabona ukuthi kwenzakalana eminyango, and people are like awume kancane wena. Kunani sabhizi. And benganakile, and I was like, hayibo guys, please angeze nisize ngalutho lento eniyenzayo njengamanje, asambeni. Konakele la mnyango, buka kunjani? Buka izindaveni, buka kuyabalekwa. People that didn't care. Which comes to indaba yokugembula futhi. Ukugembula, it is addictive. Ukugembula, it is a sin. People will be so busy with gambling because we're just trying money. We're just trying, and into addictive yazi. Uba isigqila sayo noma ungasathandi futhi ungasanakile ukuthi isigqila sayo. Ngale ngathi urealize ukuthi hayibo ngeke la ndidlala ngami, kodwa uphinde ubuyele ukuthi ngiyayidinga futhi leya mali. Cabanga nje ngithole nje 50,000 nje isigumbaqa nje just ngokulokhu nje ama-team nje ama-team awu-20 ngo-10 rand 50,000 wonke. And libe luthekile up until ke uzugembula nangumfazi wakho, up until ugembula nangemoti yakho, nangonkosikazi wakho, nangengane yakho, nangayo yonke into yakho, ukuthi hayi noma unkosikazi wami ngingalala naye akunankinga. Uzugembule ngayo because you could be so addicted in such a way that. So people ngokushara bonke lama prophecy izinto ezizokwenzeka la emhlabeni. Actually, izinto ezenzakalayo kuyimanje because many people have chosen ukuthi bakhonza bani. Many people have chosen ukuthi bathandane. Many people have chosen ukuthi baspenda isikhathi sabo kuwini. Many people have chosen ukuthi benzani nini kanjani nobani. And I want to pose this question to you people. Uyibeke phi ingcebo yakho? Ngoba la uyibeke khona kulezi zinto zala emhlabeni akusikona. You're going to die. The Lord has shown. uNkulunkulu sevezile ukuthi cha akusikona. Ubeke ingcebo yakho kwini? Kuma computer, electronics, technology. Ubeke ingcebo yakho ini? Kwimali leyo uzohlezi uyilandela ungayifici kodwa ihlezi phela. Ubeke ingcebo yakho kwini? Kumsebenzi uyitshela ukuthi bayakuthanda, Nkosi yami bangithengele igift kwi-birthday yami, abanendaba. Ubeke ingcebo yakho kwini? Kumndeni wakho lo ngathi ukushiya kusasa. Ubeke ingcebo yakho kubangani bakho laba ngena ndaba nawe bahleba ngawe mawusuka nje la udede. Ubeke ingcebo yakho into zakho ezithandayo. Imoto yakho i-most expensive car. Ubeke ingcebo yakho kuphi enganeni zakho? ukuthi uma ushona mhlawumbe iy'ngane zakho zizokusebenzela, ngeke zizokwenzele lokho, azinendaba nawe. Ubeka ingcebo yakho kuphi? Kwi-boyfriend yakho, kwi-girlfriend yakho, kumshado wakho? Mina indoda yami nje izongilwela, unkosikazi wami nje mina ngiyazi umama nje obekholwa nje hlezi yalapha enkonzweni, hhayi uyozivumela zonke izono zethu. Sengifike ngayiphungula izono zami. Uma ngiye kanye nje ngamlandela umama ngamhambisa, ngafike ngampakisa imoto, ngaya naye enkonzweni, ngangena kanye ngamuza umfundisi. Oh, umfundisi uthini? John 15, okay, umvini namagatsha, hayi seyihlambulukile izono zami, ngihambile nami ngingenile endlini yaNkulunkulu. Uyibeke lapho yini ingcebo yakho? Uyibeke phi ingcebo yakho uma umuntu? Noma usuyibeke ezonweni lezi ey'gcwele la emhlabeni ukuthi noma ngenza nanoma yini vele mangesihogwena ngiye. uNkulunkulu bathanda bonke abantu bakhe. Uma ezongisindisa uzongisindisa, uma engangisindisa akangisindisi. Pho kunani? Pho kusho ukuthini? Kudlalwa ngathi ayikho lento yenkolo. Uyibeke phi ingcebo yakho? Bantwana baNkulunkulu, uJesu uyabuya. And unfortunately ukuthanda kwenu lezi zinto enizithandayo kangaka zala emhlabeni kuzonenza nibambelele kuzona kakhulu nize nikhohlwe umbuso wezulu. Because if uthanda imali uzohlezi ulangazelela yona, and uma ulangazelela yona yazini uzogixabeza ngomsebenzi. Actually mhlawumbe ugixabeza ngomsebenzi ewu-2, umsebenzi o-12 hours nomsebenzi we-part time we-weekend. Usebenza iviki lonke 7 days a week ungaphumuli wena. Usithola nini isikhathi sokufunda iBhayibheli lakho? Usithola nesikhathi sokukhuleka? Usithola nesikhathi sokuzila ukudla ubuyisane noNkulunkulu wakho, spiritually connect nezulu? Because God is like an aerial. If we connect to the Lord the Father, that is when we can portray the vision yasezulwini ngokwenza intando yakhe, if we only connected to uNkulunkulu. Ngeke uzuzile ukudla usebenze 7 days a week uzothi awe ma ngizothatha phi energy. Izinto zikhona, izinto ziyasebenza. Ukusebenza is not a sin. Going to work is not a sin. I would never say something like that. Ngabe ngiqamba manga ngimphambukeni ngiqambela manga. It is never a sin. It will never be a sin. Because izithukuthuku zakho indlela ekumele uphile ngayo. But ekusebenzeni kwakho, make sure ukuthi umsebenzi you were granted it by the Lord. Make sure ukuthi ukusebenza kwakho akumvimbezeli icebo laNkulunkulu ukuthi lifezeke ngawo. Make sure that you always make time for the Lord, not only on Sunday, not only on Sabbath, but always make time for the Lord. uNkulunkulu akusebenzise. Because by going to work mhlawumbe iyona ndawo befuna ukusebenzisela yona leyana ekuyisa khona laphaya. So I don't want people to love things more than loving God. Make God the priority, abe uqala. And then lokho okuhambayo okulangazelelayo ukwenza la emhlabeni kube indlela yokuphila nje kuphela. Imali ibe yithuluzi, ingabe i-value. Don't love money more than people, please. Love people, love God. Uzobe uyigcinile-ke imiyalo kaNkulunkulu. Because imbili kuphela, uthanda uNkulunkulu bese uthanda abantu. Because uma uthanda uNkulunkulu uzomthanda ngayo yonke inhliziyo yakho, ngawo wonke umphefumulo wakho, ngawo wonke amandla akho. Ebese uma uthanda abantu uzomthanda umakhelwane wakho nje uyithanda wena. Ngeke uzumntshontshele, ngeke uzumbulale, ngeke uzumphingele, ngeke uzuyifisa into yakhe. That is when you have kept the law of God. You are done. Izenzo zakho zithi uyibeke phi ingcebo yakho? Izenzo zakho zithi uthanda bani? Don't tolerate everything. Yonke into efikayo nje uyayithatha uyayigraspa. Yonke into i-technology, okay, ithathani lokhu nayo 3D visual acts nakho, you need to have fun. Everything you grasp, cha. Buza kuNkulunkulu kuqala ukuthi Nkosi kuyikho yini? Kuvela kuwe yini lokho? Uma ngaveli kuwe Nkosi angikudingi. Prioritize the Lord more so that you can understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzama kangakanani ukuthi akusize abe nawe. Into ebalekile ukuthi uzisindise, ubhabhadiswe. Wamukela uJesu njengenkosi nomsindisi, uvuma izono zakho zonke. Abese uNkulunkulu uzokwamukelisa umoya. Because ubhabhadiswa ngamanzi, ubhabhadiswe nangomoya, spiritually. And when you are baptized spiritually, then you're going to be clean. That is when umoya kaNkulunkulu can come and dwell with you. Kube wona okholayo ukuthi okay, yabo nje ubuye etown uyogrosa. Ungangeni lesitolo, ungangeni la kungcolile, la uwona ozokusiza ukuthi okay, ngcono uthenge la, here it's cheaper. You can get more. La ungathola ama-rice awu-3 ngemali, you know, uNkulunkulu kusiza kuzo zonke lezo zinto. Hayi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzele uzokwenza impilo zethu zibe nzima, zibe lukhuni. Cha. Uzongena la ukhona ngoba ukufuna unjalo. Ebese uyashiya kodwa isona, akasifuni isona, akafuni uze nesona uzongcolile, cha. Ukufuna unjalo uwena, uclean, u-righteous. Stop desiring to have fun ngaso sonke isikhathi. Zifunda ukuzithiba. Stop desiring always to have money. Uma ingekho imali ebhenki ayikho. The fact that kukhona ukudla efrijini nasekhabetheni, that's enough. It must be enough for you. Because always desiring it will kill you. Uzoba hlezi unelukuluku, uzohlezi unehanga, uzohlezi ukhanuka. Mina ngifuna ukuthi. Aneliseka ngalokho nakho. And a good definition of ukukholwa ukwaneliseka. I know it is a belief, Hebrews 11 verse 1, ukuthi ukukholwa nokuqiniseka ngezinto ezithenjwayo nezinto ezingabonwayo. Yes, kunjalo. Ube nesiqiniseko sokuthi ngiyazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona, angikaze ngambona uJesu, kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi ukhona. But masuwazi futhi aneliseka-ke uthi nganele ngawe Jesu. Angidingi omunye uNkulunkulu, angidingi umuntu okuyesibhedlela ukuze ngiphile. Nganelisekile ukuthi uzongiphilisa Baba. Kanelisekile ukuthi uzongenzela konke engikudingayo, konke engikunqanelayo, konke okuzoba usizo kimi. Waneliseke ngalokho. Because your desires will definitely kill you. Ngoba kusetshenziswa ama-desires akho manje kulesi sikhathi sokugcina ukuthi uthandane, asimdonse, simdobe ngakho aze akhohlwe uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu yilokhu angakufuni-ke. So one last point. As I've shared all these dreams, abantu bethanda izinto, abantu benganaki, abantu bebeka ingcebo yabo ezweni, abantu bethanda ama-items asemhlabeni, bethanda zonke izinto, bethanda isono more than uNkulunkulu. But njengamanje ngifisa si-underline an important thing ukuthi unalo yini uphawu lasekhaya ezulwini? Do you have a sign? Ayikho kuhlangene iy'kole. Mhlawumbe it's a debate thing. Ukuthi hayi sihlangana nge-weekend ngayigqoki uniform. Bazohlukanisa kanjani ukuthi lesi sakulesi sikole, lesi sakulesi sikole? It's gonna be hard. Kumele kubuze ukuthi ufunda yaphi nina? Kanti if nizoqhamuka nigqoke uniform, fake nama-badge wakhona wesikole, it's gonna be easier to identify ukuthi okay, so this school this group comes from that school, that group comes from that school. It's gonna be easier for everything. I made example as well as Abo Drive. I mean the owners. If kungama manje i-owner yaka VW, kumi owner yaka Toyota, Mercedes, Isuzu, and what Ford. Beme phambi kwey'moto zabo bengagqokile some sort of iskipa or a t-shirt or some sort of a cap to represent or in a sign. Uzobona ngani ukuthi lo phethe le? Ngeke uzobone. Kuzodingeka a sort of a sign, uphawu thizeni ukuthi lo ungokaNkulunkulu. Lo i-owner ka-VW nayi sign esikipeni sakhe. Lo i-owner ye-Mercedes nayi sign esikipeni sakhe. BMW nayi sign. So nakho kumbuza uJesu uma efika la emhlabeni wemakholwa, uzokubona ngani? If usafana nabantu basezweni. If uma bephuza nawe uyaphuza, ebethe ungaphuza. If uma bebhema nawe uyabhema, ebethe ungabhema. Uzokuhlukanisa kanjani nabo? Unaluphi uphawu olutshengisayo ukuthi no, mina ngokaJesu mina. Mina ngamkhetha umholi wami. Mina ngayikhetha inkosi yami. Angikwenzi lokho. Because kubalekile ukuzihlukanisela abantu bakaNkulunkulu. Ukwaneliseka kuNkulunkulu. And uJesu masefika la emhlabeni uzothatha abangcwele. Let us quickly read nje incwadi Isambulo 19. Kodwa nje uverse 8. Othi Isambulo 19 verse 8. Wanikwa ukuba embathe ilinyeni elicolekileyo nelikhazimulayo nelihlanzekileyo, ngokuba ilinyeni elicolekileyo liyizenzo ezilungileyo zabangcwele. uJesu ufisa ukuthi izenzo zakho, because ukwenza kwakho ikona ngibatha kwakho. You know, I don't know if people understand me mangisho kanje. If mhlawumbe umuntu ohlolwayo weyintombi into enigqokayo kusho izenzo zena ngithi ukuthi niyahlola nabo egqoka into ey'mfishane ne. If ukhonze eZayoni, izembatho zakhe izona ey'sho ukuthi okay lo ukhonze eZayoni usho ukuthi wenzisa okwaseZayoni. I hope I make sense. So izenzo zakho yonke into oyenzayo la emhlabeni ziwukwembatha kwakho. If uNkulunkulu ethi urequire ukulunga, if uNkulunkulu ethi urequire izenzo ezilungileyo, uzodinga ukuthi wembathe igarment ngesingisi okuyizenzo ezilungile, ezingcwele. Izenzo zokulunga iziphi ile zokushiya isono. Izenzo zokulunga iziphi ile zokulalela uNkulunkulu wenze intando yakhe, because only a righteous person, only umuntu olungileyo owenza intando kaNkulunkulu. Makuthiwa ave elungile Nkosi yami, ave ethule, umuntu onjani loyo? Hawe mave elungile Nkosi yami, unkosikazi kaBhuti unjani? Angithi lo nkosikazi lo othi siyacela bandla malumekazi, siyacela bandla ukuthi usiphekele iparish. Athi hayi kulungile bantu abangenkinga, ayithulele hamba lipheke. Hawu malumekazi, siyacela bandla ukuthi usihambise edolobheni. Athi akulungile, ngena nemotweni sidrive esihambeni. Ulungile ngithi emehlweni, ulungile ngithi ngezenzo zakhe. Ngobani uyalalela enze lento enishoyo. Ukulunga lokho. Nathi ukulunga towards the Lord uNkulunkulu ukwenza into ayishoyo. Methi ngithandeni simthande, methi ngesabeni simesabe, methi simkhonzeni simkhonze, methi simnike udumo simnikeze udumo. Methi sigcina iminyalelo eyishumi sigcina iminyalelo eyishumi. Izona zenzo zokulunga lezo. Methi zingcweliseni sikwenze lokho, izona zenzo zokulunga. And uJesu uzodinga ukuthi abantu babhaphathise, because when you are baptized, that is when ubeka uphawu la ebunzini lakho ukuthi mina sengimkhethile umholi wami, sengimkhethile uJesu. And to keep that power, you're gonna need to cleanse yourself all the time. You're gonna need ukuthi uhlezi uzikhumbuze ukuthi hayibo mina ngingcwele, hayibo mina ngokaNkulunkulu, hayibo ezulwini kungcwele, hayibo uJesu umholi wami wasibamba istandard sokuba ngcwele ela emhlabeni. Now I need to do the very same thing. That is when uzokwenza izenzo ezilungile. That is when uzombatha ilineni elicolekileyo, elizenzo ezilungileyo lezi azifunayo uNkulunkulu. And that is when uJesu ezokwazi ukukubona uma efika ezolanda ibandla lakhe la emhlabeni. So uzibuzeke ukuthi izenzo zakho ziyiziphi. Ubhizi nokwenza izinto zala emhlabeni, ubhizi uyifanisa nabantu bala emhlabeni. Laba bantu vele isabelo sabo bayasazi, izoni ziyasazi isabelo sazo. Baze bamemeze mabadlula bathi hawu sesiyobona masibona ukuthi siyasho sikogwele siyasha sinankinga sinendaba. Uthi ukhuluma nomuntu oyisangoma athi hayibo kumele ngenze njani, hayike makuthi uNkulunkulu uyangishisa ke akangishise akunendaba. Uyazi ukuthi uzophelelaphi, uzophika naye ke wena. Wena ubunikeziwe isithembiso sokuthi onoJesu unokuphila okuphakade. Ngoba olithandizwe wanikela ngayo ukuthi uma sikholwa nguye siyoba nokuphila okuphakade. Hayi ukukholwa kuphela. Uthini uJakob uJames? Akasho ukuthi ukukholwa ngaphandle komsebenzi kufile. Akasho ukuthi ukulunga futhi lokwemvela athi umuntu ongaze ngalunga ulungile. Hayibo lo muntu lo ufaniswa nezidwedwe ezibolile, because ukulunga kwakhe ukulunga phambi kwabantu hayi phambi kaNkulunkulu. Uthi uma umtshela ngezwi kaNkulunkulu ethi inkosi yami hayi bakithi yazi samele ngisize uBhuti, inkosi yami bakithi ayisobuye siyibona indaba eBhayibheli. Akalungile leyo muntu loyo. You are not safe around that person futhi. Qaphelani abantu abakhona emhlabeni, qaphelani izinto ezikhona emhlabeni, qaphelani yonke into. Ayisekho manje into yokulunga. Only by uNkulunkulu, only by uChrist, only by izenzo zangampela zeqiniso. Izona zenzo zokulunga. Unaluphi kuphawu? Ngoba futhi lokuthanda izinto, I think it's Revelations 13. Isilo. Nomfanekiso wa yes izile ezimbili. Revelations 13 verse 16 uthi senza futhi ukuba bonke abancane nabakhulu nabacebileyo nabampofu nabakhululekileyo nabayizigqila nabazibeke uphawu esandleni sabo sokunene noma ebunzini labo, ukuba angabikho ongathenga noma athengise uma engenalo uphawu. Igama lesilo noma isibalo sabo verse 18 666. Yabo kuthanda lezi zinto lezi. Ufuna TV, ufuna ifani, kuthiwa ngelinye ilanga emall awungeni ungafakwanga ichip khona sobona ukuthi okay right yini. And whatever lento bazokufaka yona How well informed do you know ukuthi akusiwona uphawu lesilo? Because ufuna ukuyongena lapha. And stop addicting yourselves, people, ngezinto zala emhlabeni, because you're gonna be so addicted. You're gonna be so addicted to work. Hayi-ke udokotela wena. Yakuphoqa ukuthi ufake luphawu ukuze uqhubeke usebenze. You're gonna definitely do it. Uzolifaka ngithi. Not knowing ukuthi ufaka uphawu lesilo. Uzokubona ngani uJesu uma ufaka uphawu lesilo? You have sold your soul. And verse 14, chapter 14 ngiyawuthanda-ke uthi iwundlu nababeke uphawu lukaNkulunkulu. Let us just quickly read it and bese siyayivala le ndaba yethu. Ngase ngibona, bheka iwundlu limi entabeni yaseSiyoni, kumi kanye nalo abayizinkulungwane ezingama-44,000, 144,000, lilotshiwe emabunzini benegama likayise lilotshiwe emabunzini alo. Ngase ngizwa izwi livela ezulwini linjengezwi lamanzi amaningi nanjengezwi lokuduma okukhulu, nezwi engalizwayo lalinjengelababetha amahabhu, babetha amahabhu abo behlabelela igama elisha phambi kwesihlalo sobukhosi naphambi kwezidalwa ezine namalunga. Kepha akubangakho onamandla okufunda lelo gama, kuphela abayizinkulungwane ezingama-44 abathengiweyo emhlabeni, 144,000. Labo yibo abangangcoliswanga yisifazane ngokuba bayizintombi. Labo yibo abalandela iwundlu noma liyaphi. Labo bathengwa ebantwini babe lulibo lukaNkulunkulu nakulo ibundlu, nasemlonyeni wabo akufunyaniswanga amandla kamanasici. Nkosi sisifunda isilayo kusephat. Amen. Abamlandela uJesu noma yaphi bathi somlandela uJesu, ngomenzelani uJesu? Bona ulandelani? Imali. Kuba kuyilandela imali, it's okay. Kunesisho sesiZulu esithi if into yakho izokufica ngisho kuthiwa ukephi. Khona abantu abahlalayo uthola ukuthi uhleli umuntu kungena umuntu athi akazi unosebenza endaweni ethize athi apply kanti wakhe. Everything that belongs to you will eventually and will always find you. You do not need to go out there and fight for it, except if the Lord wants you to fight for it so that you can learn something from it. Kodwa yonke into ekweyakho iyohlezi ikufica cause yakho yabelwe wena. Hayi kumele ukulandele wena. So unaluphi uphawu? Asibuyeleni kwinkolo yakudala. Please ngaso sonke isikhathi thank you Lord for reminding me this message. I want to remind people ukuthi always refresh inkolo yakho. Always refresh ukwazana kwakho noJesu. Because yonke into iyajwayeleka emhlabeni. Yonke into igcina isiyinorm. Yabo into omayenza everyday ngaso sonke isikhathi igcina usijwayele futhi ugcina usijwayele nakabi. Fana noma emsebenzini, okay, 9 to 5, 9 to 5, 9 to 5. There's nothing interesting. There's nothing new. Yonke into iyajwayeleka. But you can make it fun by doing something different. Emsebenzini namhlanje I carry this. Fana nokudla, mawuzodla ukudla kodwa over and over again. Every day udla uphuthu nobhontshisi kuzoze ukucike angithi. But you're gonna need to change your diet. Namhlanje udla uphuthu, kusasa udla isitambu, ngakusasa ujeqe, kanjalo angithi. So nasemshadweni kuka kanjalo. If nine couple noma nomyeni wakho nonkosikazi wakho senijwayelene, senithathana kancane, seniyathukana, seniyamemezana, senijwayelene, senandaba, kusafana naqala na kule honeymoon phase. So into edingeka ukuthi kubuyiselwe leliya thando liyana ukuthi sasithandanelana kwaseqaleni, sasishadanelana kwaseqaleni. Nihambe ke niye kuma-vacation, niye kuma-trips, niyenze yonke into just to renew that love. Same as with uNkulunkulu. Kade wakholwa suno 20 years, 30 years, renew your relationship with God. There's a song that's give me that old-time religion. It will take us all to heaven. You know that old-time religion? Le ndlela okhonza ngayo kudala. Khumbula ngalesa sikhathi usajabula ubhabhadiswa ungena emanzini and abantu bekhalalisela usuzelwe kabusha. Khumbula leya njabulo, khumbula ukuthi why wamukela uJesu, khumbula lezi zitshumayelo oshunyayezwa zona ungakamamukeli. Lo wathinteka waba yikho ungakamamukeli uJesu. Ukhumbula ukuthi wamamkelelani. Renew that relationship because yonke into vele idinga ukuthi ivuselele ngaso sonke isikhathi. But I don't want you to renew it only by going to church. Cha, kuncane kakhulu lokho. Renew it every day. Renew it by praying. Renew it by reading your scripture. Connect with the Lord every day. Khumbula ukuthi yini oyilandelayo. Khumbula ukuthi ingcebo yakho uyibekephi. Khumbula ukuthi uKristu uzokubona ngaluphi uphawu uma ebuya la emhlabeni. Langazelela izulu umuntu kaNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu uyakuthanda. uNkulunkulu uyakulangazelela. uNkulunkulu uyakubiza. Sindisa umphefumulo wakho. Umbuso wezulu ususondele. Umbuso wezulu ukhona. Iqiniso likaNkulunkulu liyiqiniso. And liyeza usuku lomnyama lesigayigayi. Liyeza usuku lesisabekayo. May you be saved. May you save yourself. May you make the right choices. Nkosi nibusise kakhulu. Nkosi iyanithanda. Ibe nani ngaso sonke isikhathi nizisindise. Nibeke uphawu olufanelekile ezonisa ekhaya ezulwini. Ngivume izono zenu ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ningazimosheli isikhathi. Ningagijimisi izinto zizimnandi besikhashana. Ningabeki ingcebo yendako wrong khona. Ningabeki kubantu. Ningabeki indawo. But be happy and be at peace with the Lord. Because the richest person la emhlabeni umuntu onokuthula nenjabulo. Lo muntu loyo akaswele lutho. Urich ukudlula Motsepe. Urich ukudlula amaGupta ehlangene. Urich nabo bonke. So uNkulunkulu uyanibekezelela. May you be judged. Shiya leso sono kusemanje. Usaphila, usanethuba. Ubuyisane nomholi wakho uJesu Kristu. Wozane naye baphathise usindise ukuze uzosihlenga wena. Nkosi nibusise njalo. Ibe nani sonke isikhathi and as I'm still starting lo msebenzi ama-video nje asamafishane asamancane kakhulu on YouTube, but ngokuhola uNkulunkulu we're gonna keep on working, we're gonna keep on pushing, and ama-videos asakhona-ke. I think there's like hundreds or more ku TikTok, and same videos on Instagram, same videos on Facebook, and even writings la ngibhale khona nje and explaining in Zulu kakhulu. So nje umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu usaqhubeka, and sibonge nje ngabakwazi ukuthi bathole imiyalezo kaNkulunkulu and all those likes on TikToks. Thank you so much uNkulunkulu anibusise kakhulu, and I do not need anything. I do not need any fame. I do not need anyone to tell me I just want you to grasp the message, and if ifinyelele kuwena khona uzosindisa wena, because mina I'm just taking the light uNkulunkulu angikhanisele ngayo, ngikhanisele nawe ngoba nawe uyayideserve, nawe uyayideserve umbuso wezulu, nawe uyayideserve ukuphila inguna phakade. So uNkulunkulu nje anibusise. Lona ulihle ithemba Mzobe. Abe nani njalo. Amen.